Ayan, pili ko lang kayo ng mga candy. Ayan. So, naganisa. Candy isa. Sari-sari. So, miniting. Ito naman yung cola. Cola nila. Hindi cola. Ito naman yung Mallorca Bamboo Candy. Ayan. Setting natin. Oh, yan. Ito naman ay para candy. Kissever. At ito naman yung figures candy Pokemon. At ito naman yung Coca-Cola. Ayan. So next, ayan naman siya. Ayan. Rainbow. This is cows. Ayan ang mais pala. Wow. Ito naman yung crocodile na candy. Ayan, crocodile candy. Ayan naman ang scone. Ayan. At ito naman. At ito naman. Iba't ibang chocolate. At ito naman ang buttons candy. Ito naman yung sour cubes candy. At ito naman fish. Sour fish. At saka yung strawberry fish. Diba? At ito naman yung iba naman to. At ito naman yung banana candy. Ito naman yung chocolate family candy. Yan, mga roaster, chicken, egg. Ayan, family chocolate candy. At ito naman yung sour fruit candy. Ayan. At ito naman yung bamsa. Yung tatalang bear candy. At ito naman yung banana. Oy, ito naman yung bonfire candy. Ayan, yung bonfire candy. Diba ang ano naman? Bubbles. Soft drinks candy. Oy, ito naman yung ano tawag ito? Freskin candy. At ito naman yung skillet fruits. Mixed color. At dito, marami pa dito sa taas. At ito naman yung jelly, strawberry, ito na marzipan, ito naman yung hobby, ito naman yung crocodile candy with orange and black. At ito naman yung heart candy. Ito naman yung so many things here. Hot lollipops, hot lips. Lips pala, lips candy. Ayan. Pink candies. Ito naman yung parang ewan. And yan, so may also many candies. Yummy candies.